welcome to a very relaxing clean with me video. I hope you guys really enjoy the calming music that I'm going to play throughout this entire video, and I really hope that this motivates you to clean, but not only that, but also to not stress about the cleaning and just enjoy what you're doing. So without further ado, I'm just going to play some calming music, and I hope you really enjoy today's video.
The times it's all out of reach, soldier on. When it's harder to learn than to teach, soldier on. I do believe that if someone is willing to all their dues, there's almost no end to what can be won. One day you gotta choose. The times it's all out of reach, soldier on. When it's harder to learn than to teach, soldier on. Come rain, storm, or blue sky, soldier on.
So I know that oftentimes when we're cleaning our houses, we're just thinking about the end result. We just want to get our house clean and we don't really appreciate the process of cleaning. But sometimes I actually like to appreciate the process. Every time I clean an area, I just look at it and I think, wow, that looks so nice now, and before it was very chaotic, but because I took the time to clean it, I'm making my home a more calming place. And I think if you just sort of appreciate the little wins that you have throughout the day, then sometimes even that can bring a bit of a calming to your mind and a happiness to your heart.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
So I really like to keep my house clean and cozy, and And one of the ways that I add coziness to my home is by having lots of soft textures. So as you can see, the rug that's in front of my fireplace, that's layered on top of the other rug, as well as having soft blankets and pillows. These big fluffy ones that I have here are ones that my kids can pull out and sit on in front of the TV. And then I also like to have lots of throw blankets around so that the kids can just grab them and cuddle up with a book, and it just gives our home that extra feeling of coziness.
I will get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side.
Now I'm in my bedroom and I'm just cleaning up some of the clutter that's accumulated on my dresser, and that big monster of a machine that I just took out was an old VCR that my husband and kids found out in our garage. I was mentioning this in my closet declutter video about how they found this old VCR and it had some of our wedding tapes on it. And yes, my husband and I have been married that long that our wedding was recorded on a VHS tape, but in any case, we were just reminiscing about some memories, and so we had it in here plugged up to the TV so that my kids could see our wedding day. So that was kind of special. But what I was going to say before about clutter is that it can be very calming to your mind if you just remove the clutter from your house and just have the surfaces as clean as possible, and then it's just very freeing to your mind and it'll bring a lot of peace to your home.
Oh, child of mine, I fell into your life with not a single gift for you but love. Try as I might to lead you and do all right. No single day goes by that I don't fail you. Know that my heart is desperate to see you win at life. This is my song as you struggle on with me. Oh, if only, oh, if only you knew my heart for you. Time turns, growth hurts, love inside me for you is still unchanged. Each one of my words created to do no harm, encourage and guide you on in love. And the creaking in my bones bring on no bitterness. I'm just glad that I have you. Know that my heart who's desperate to see you win at life. This is my song as you struggle along with me. Oh, if only, oh, if only you knew my heart for you. Time turns, growth hurts, love inside me for you.
I wanted to show you guys a close-up of the amount of dust that is accumulated on my headboard over time, and so I'm just going to wipe this down, but I must say that it's actually very therapeutic to wipe down and around all these little swirls, and I'm actually really enjoying doing this.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm I'll still believe. And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free.
Now that I have my bedroom back to a cozy, calm state, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my pantry. And I actually really enjoy organizing my pantry because I have a spot for everything in here. It's just really easy for me to come in here now and just put everything where it's supposed to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten all these boxes now so that they can go into the recycling.
Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. I'm seeing your face in my dreams, I can't escape you. Like a movie on repeat, the scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice in my dreams, I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake, I want you to know I can't stand the thought of losing you.
I had some empty cereal containers that needed to be refilled, but I like to give them a quick clean in between so that I know that there's no old cereal going in with new cereal, and also sometimes I like to switch the cereals up, so this way I know it's always clean in between.
We are still young, and our hearts still run. Come on, be cool. It's our time. Let's move. We are still young, and our hearts still run. Miles and miles under clear blue skies, we drive straight as an arrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. You and I, heads up in the clouds.
I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's relaxing video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and I would love it if you guys subscribed if you're not, so that you're always notified when I upload a new video. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day and take care.